Alrighty, so I have these radish greens. I'm gonna put some water. You don't need to put too much. Then I'm gonna put some oil. And then I'm going to put some salt. And then you can put any spices you like. Turn the stove on. Okay. And then you can cover if you want to. I don't like to cover my vegetables because I don't like them to overcook. So I just turn them. I'm still cooking this. This is on my other video. So just let that cook. Turn it around until it's done, and that's it. A little bit of ginger powder. I'm going to put a little bit of royal masala, vegetable curry. Now, just to make things different, I'm going to add my pumpkin beans. With this recipe and see how it goes. And just a little bit of herbs. This is cooking time. Fresh for the garden. Now I'm gonna flip. Try to mix and flip it around. Cook until all the vegetables are done. And voila, that's it. You can add any other spices if you want.